add a photo and a name. So in this lesson we are going to add a user's photo and a name and probably some kind of welcome message below it. So the first thing what I want to mention is I probably want to grab our gradient tool from the last lesson and maybe adjust some of our transition between those two colors, not this straight one, but probably a little bit like this angle. Try this angle. You see, you have all those kinds of different options to choose from, and you can just slide however you want, like this, whatever. I choose this one. I just do this straight. Alright, so enough from this. Now we need to create our placeholder for our image. So the first, probably just going to group these layers. Ctrl+G, background. Now let's create a new. Let's grab our ellipse tool and drag it over like this. Make it white. Close our properties window, place it maybe right above here. Now add some text for it. So probably it's going to be like a name. I'm going to write my name and a shorter version of my last name. And make it light. Make it 29 points. Probably we need to scale down a little bit our image. Alright, grab our name, place it right above here, nudge it with your arrow keys. Now let's grab another type tool or maybe just duplicate this one. Drag it over to here, double click on it and write welcome. Make it hairline so it's very thin photo, very thin font. Make it 21 points and we are done with our text. Maybe nudge it a little bit more. And the last thing, what we need to do for our navigation drawer screen in this section, in this lesson, is to add a photo. So I have my photo over here. Yeah, I'm looking quite good. So drag it over to this one and clip our mask. Just hold your Alt key on your keyboard or Option on your Mac and just left click on your mouse and we have clipped our image to this ellipse. Scale it down a little bit, not too much, and there we have it, our photo. Alright, you look good. And probably I think we could add some styles for it, like let's add a stroke and see how it looks like. Make it white. Maybe scale down the opacity a little bit. About 42 or 53, something like this. And size is going to be a 3. So now we have it, our image, our name, and a welcome message. So in the next lesson, we are going to create all the other information where the user can choose from. So it's just, he can edit his profile, add new topics, maybe all the general settings of how the app is going to look like. Maybe we change the font of the news, the content, the title, and something like this. We are going to have a logout button to log out from our user account. So I hope I'll see you in the next lesson.